Today is a very, very big day for the Fresh. I am extremely humbled. Not only am I humbled because after all of these years of really working hard towards getting my dream rig and having several rigs prior to that that are just, far greater than what I deserve. But then also I'm surrounded by friends in my neighborhood, Christian brothers who just love me dearly, and I share the same emotion, who are going to show up and they're going to help me today. And we're going to offload the old rig onto Jazzy, and that should be fun. I've spent the morning loosening bolts and nuts and cutting wires and disconnecting hoses, and I'm filthy and I'm tired already, and it's been raining all morning. But we're going to get this done. They should be here soon. When they get here, I'll strap on the GoPro and we'll get things started. By the way, look at all these hoses. I got hoses all over the place. Yeah. All right, let's get started. So first things first, here's what we got to do. This goes up here just like that. It'll go in there halfway. Now I want to go ahead and say on the record that this is probably today, what you're doing for me is probably the easiest thing you're going to do all day, and that's why you're not getting paid anything. So
we're not getting paid.
This is a blessing to you.
That's really to me. Yeah. Bro, we're just glad we can bless you. Yeah.
It is heavy.
Yeah.
But that's why you guys are here. Okay.
So
Yep. Somebody count to 3.
3, 2, 1.
Light work. Go. There we go. Thank God I was here.
Will you call me again?
A little bit more.
A little more?
Too much.
Too much?
Right there. It's great. I'm going to scoot the truck up. Scott. Hey Scott. Please focus. God, these morons. You just can't get good help anymore.
Sure, a can of Vienna sausage. How's that your pay from? Yeah, Bud Light and a fish stick.
Bud Light and fish stick.
This will go right here. Try not to hit this. We'll just put it right here. I can move it once we get up on there. This one will go here, and then I'll pull. Well, then we can just move those machines on the back. So if somebody wants to help me, they may have to go up because of the bolts. Maybe, I don't know. Perfect. Eek! Oh no, one more hose here. Hold on. Okay. It should come out.
Right. You just take the hose.
Oh, okay.
There you go. Thank God I was here.
No damage.
Bro, I'll tell you what, we would never got that out there if you weren't here.
I know. You've no idea. Yeah.
You go around the other way, don't you?
Yeah. That'll work right there. And that's loose. That's loose. I think you guys are good. I tell you, this is, it's tough. Tough for the Fresh.
Yeah. I literally can't. I'm not gonna lift this up. Yep, there ain't no way. Ready, guys?
My hand is right underneath it. Hold on a second. There we go.
All right?
Yeah. Thank God I was here.
I know.
You know what I mean?
No, bro.
I hear you, man.
That's perfect.
Honestly, we would not have gotten up there without you.
Well, so here's the thing. This one's got a few more pounds on it. Really? Yeah. 2, 3. What'd you think? And watch your hat. You okay, buddy?
Yeah.
My tour's rotating, man.
Come on, man. Come on, man. I need you today.
Pulling something right
He
here.
he can't pitch tomorrow now.
Tommy John, dude.
Come on. Got Tommy John surgery.
Yeah.
Softball team needs him, man.
2, 10. Don't you get hung up on
I don't think it's this heavy though.
Oh, hold it.
Oh.
I'm stepping on it every step of the way.
All right, I got it. All right.
3, 2, 1, go.
Hold on just a second.
Get your pants out.
Oh, lost the bearing.
Thank God I was here.
We need.
So, yeah, that's it. That's huge for me. You have no idea.
Well,
I'm Uber.
They're leaking gas.
It's fuel. Yeah, it's just
just fuel.
It's all right.
petro, brother.
It's just
Petro.
Petro.
It's only what, $4 a gallon now.
Yeah.
That's just going down, man. Buying
325 now.
Bidenomics finally
Yep.
kicking in, but
$2.99 last night.
It's
Saw it for $2.99.
yeah, wait till about June
Oh,
when it's about
$2.99.
$2.49. And the Democrats are gonna be like, see what we done for America?
That's right.
Remember us in November.
That's right. Exactly.
Watch.
What's
telling
campaign
you, man.
season? So
You heard it here
Yeah,
first,
hey,
folks.
I'm just telling you, man.
it's
That's gonna
campaign
be-
time, man. Biden's gonna bring the prices down.
Yeah. Grocery prices will go back
I'm
down.
crazy,
a little
Biden. I'm giving it away.
bit. You're crazy, all right.
Yeah,
You know all this is going on YouTube, right?